Hi there. Let's see how we can create a check-in account that enables your staff to both check in tickets at the entrance, check their availability, whether they're real or not, also gets an estimate of what the attendance trends will be. Right, so to do that, we head over to our team section under users. We have to create a new account. For you, you'll press the create user under team button. In my case, I've already created a check-in staff all events and venues section. Basically, this event check-in can have access to all of the scanning purposes in our mobile app. And to have a look at how it works is we created this username, the check-in staff, and we added an email and a password. You can also send an invite from your account, and we've selected the event check-in staff. This kind of staff can check in tickets, they can check in attendees, they can pair RFID tags at your attraction, but they can also see the attendance report section, but only the visitor flow by date. So if you notice in your account attendance report, you'll see that we have this visitor flow by date section where you can actually select a specific event and the type of tickets that have been sold. In my account, the Pixel World Funland Trampoline Park didn't have any kind of ticket registrations because it's a demo event. But in your case, you're gonna see this graph showing what you would be expecting across multiple dates and across specific tickets if you want to filter that. However, this kind of visitors, the check-in visitors, will not have access to the revenue trends. So how much you've sold on a day-by-day option. They're only going to be seeing the attendance reports so they can have an estimate of how many visitors they will have on a specific attraction or event by date. All right, let's pause a little bit and see what the actual experience would be in the check-in account. All right, so we logged in as the check-in account, and as you can see here, while I have all of the events, I have limited options on my section, right? So I can see the attendees, I can check them in, I can scan their tickets, right? So by just pressing this, it's going to pop up my scanning option on the mobile app, and I also have access to the reports, the attendance reports options, and this is where I see all of the visitors and how they actually behave and what I should be expecting across future dates. At the same time, I can go to the Oveit check-in app where I have to plug in my email and password, and it's a simplified version of the check-in section. I hope this helps, and it helps you set up check-in staff credentials that have access to the relevant data, and they can estimate the attendance flow per day.